What's happened? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. What's happening? It's Jake Locksmith Service. Today is the 1st, 2nd, 2019. I'm down in Fort Walker Beach, Florida, enjoying my little vacation. You heard me? Jake Locksmith Service. Making this video for you all. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, MySpace, Twitter, all y'all. Just enjoying. Y'all look at that water. Like my videos, subscribe to my videos, comment, share my videos. I'm gonna keep them coming. Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida, but I'm down in Fort Walker Beach, Florida right now. About 300 some miles from Jacksonville, Florida. About 300 some miles from New Orleans. Fort Walker Beach, Florida to New Orleans is about a 4-hour drive. Ain't nothing. Get up around about 6, 7 in the morning. You'll be there about 11, 12 noon. I'm gonna be getting in that water soon. You better believe I'm gonna be getting in that water soon. About to go find me something to eat in a minute. Yes, indeed. I'm the same old Jake, you heard me? I like to clown. I like my female friends. But I had to get away for a while, you heard me? That's what's happening. That's what's at. They texting me and stuff. I got 3 cell phones. They blowing up, yes indeed. Everybody know me, know I like to clown, so hey, there it is, you know, but I keep it real. I can't see it no other way. Time for me to go do some things. I'll be back.